Hi, welcome to the Essex North Shore Agricultural and Technical School Guidance Video Assistance Series. In this video, we'll be talking about using Naviance to help with the college search and organization. Specifically, the purpose of this video is to assist students with a reminder of the location of your grade point average or GPA in Naviance, how to search for schools in Naviance, how to determine how you stack up in applying to a school you're interested in, and how to be organized and know deadlines of schools. As always, if you have questions, please reach out to your guidance counselor for additional assistance. The first step is logging into your Naviance account. You can access that by going to our school website, clicking on the Families tab, and then Naviance. Your username should be your school email. And then your password should be your 6-digit school ID number, unless you may have changed it to something else. Once you log in, this is a web page specifically designed for our seniors. The first thing I want to just show you is direct you to the senior September and October. What this is it's guidance will be posting a general idea of what you should be doing with your post-high school plans on a month-to-month basis. So as you can see, we kind of have some small thoughts, checklists, or points of interest that you may consider. Of note are the deadlines for SAT and ACT registration, as well as other information. Right off the page, we say where you should go to check out your grade point average. So to find your grade point average, you go to the About Me tab, click on My Account, and scroll down. As you can see, the GPA and the weighted GPA are the same because what we report at our school is the student's weighted GPA. If you click on the College tab, there'll be a bunch of different useful links and opportunities to learn some different things. If you're someone that's still in a position where you're still considering searching for schools, the Advanced College Search might be useful, and then it creates a filter system of different areas of interest or areas of thought, and it will generate a list of schools based upon that interest that you put in. Or if you're in a situation where you're kind of thinking of a school and know of a school you have in mind, you can use this as almost like a Google search bar. And search for the school, and that school will show up. When you click on the school, you'll get some pretty good useful information about the school, such as their graduation rate, acceptance rate, deadlines, and other information as well. What is particularly useful for students is clicking on the admissions. If you click on the admissions, what you'll get is a historical data perspective of how our students from Essex Tech fared in applying to UMass Amherst. As you can see, each of the last few years, we've had quite a few students apply there. As you continue to scroll down, you'll notice this scattergram plot. The key to the plot is down here. The green check marks means they were accepted. The red X's means they were denied. It's important to note that not every student reports to us whether or not they've been accepted to a school. Whoever is looking at this, you as a student, if you have SAT scores, it will plot you on this graph. As you can see, in this sample account, this is where the person is graphed. As you hover your cursor over each check mark or X mark, you'll see what that student's GPA was and SAT scores were, and whether they were accepted or denied. Given that we haven't had students apply to some schools throughout the country, some of the data might be a little bit smaller than other schools. If you find a school that you're definitely interested in applying to, that's important. It's important that you put it in the colleges that I'm applying to section. As you can see, there's no schools here right now. But if I click the plus sign, which college are you applying to? And if I put in UMass Amherst, it's going to ask me when's my deadline. So again, gives you the chance to know the deadlines. Let's say I'm going to go regular decision. How am I applying as well? You can click add application, and what it does is it will auto-populate when your deadlines are and tell you how you're going to apply to this school. This is a great way to stay organized and know when deadlines are coming and going. So for example, if you wanted to add another school, you would just click plus. Say UMass Boston's on my list too. I can see their regular decision is March 1st. The schools typically want to connect with you via email, and you have the option to do so. So sometimes this pops up as an option for you from specific schools. And as always, these videos are meant to assist students in their planning purposes, but their guidance counselors are always available for assistance as well. Thank you very much, and I hope that you found this video helpful.